Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyiwa. Ubonile ngithi ukuthi uRatha didn't really apologize. I'm sure he's just like, what are they gonna do? Mina ngino-judge wami ongimele. And then uJudge Mlambo-ke bathi-ke uthi there is nothing wrong with uRatha. What he said to Umnisi or what he's been saying in court about black lawyers and all of that. And also, I just find it was actually an insult because you were not just talking about black lawyers anymore, you were generalizing. And my thing is that you should have just told Umnisi only. When we lawyer so not everyone. You saw how Don was just like, we're not having it. Because this guy is not the first time he's saying this. And Tina, we are actually tired of that. We're going to write to the proper people and be like, Tina that behavior and those comments have nothing to do with anything. I just didn't want to put it in English. Because sometimes, like I'm saying, YouTube, so I'm just like, why is he like this? Judge Ratha. And he's not called to order, and people have been complaining. A petition going on Facebook. We are tired of him. He must actually enjoy. But my thing is that every time you are used to umuntu othizeni just as much as he thinks he's the greatest. Some people think he's actually not. Please. JP could have done better. So bathi-ke uJudge Mlambo uthe lalela lo muntu right nifunani. But most legal experts, including uDali Mpofu, ngoba I guess in this situation is well-known advocate, so people were just like, most people also, South Africans besides the legal experts, they were like, lo muntu lo, he must be called to order, and obviously, we don't see things the same, guys. Guys, there's nothing wrong when he says certain things. Why are you taking it to heart and all of that? And then you Ratha advocate minister, go to that combat marathon as well. Yeah, you must just not regret it. Guys, like we threatened in the court as a trying. Guys, Ratha's comment, it also included South Africans because he was now speaking about a name, abantu abamnyama, like who even says that? That's why I think he's where he is with people not happy with him the time around, actually, because it's not the first time I when I look. It's because he generalize it. Yeah, the whole thing of vandalize, like vandalize that building, chances are it's not the same anymore. The one that they are supposed to go and inspect. Gobumnis is like, I finally open a low building. And the nobody comes up with the story, so that building actually is why are you even going there? We don't care. And who accused number one was like, if you draw building, can I just draw it? So that I can tell you, it's okay, and then he finally ubaloyi and Gininda and uJudge Ratha speaking about us, abantu abamnyama ukuthi thina mhlawumbe sesayivandalize a low building, actually it's rebuilt again. I'm just like, please stop. There's nothing like that. Just because manje umnisi uthi ayihanjwe le low building ngiyobona fanele umhlukumeze, and just because umnisi told Brigadier Gininda off a day before, now he must suffer. No, guys, it's crazy. Thina sihamba nomnisi la ihamba khona. Sifuna nokwazi fanele anisele yamvula actually next week. Noma engasayanga ku-Comrades Marathon, and actually it's the second marathon. He lost the money there at the two oceans. He couldn't go, and then now again, I even think Ratha, the reason why he didn't apologize on Friday, which was yesterday, it's because on Thursday, can be evening, ufonele uJudge Mlambo, or yesterday morning, or whichever judge, or someone else, or JP. Namaz me said, no, they are my juniors. Actually, I'm before born, but my church president. I'm just like, now Ratha said a mouthful on Thursday. So many things, guys. I was just like in one day, like honestly. So Uratake goes on again. I'm still saying ukuthi there's a chance ukuthi ukhulumene no-JP. Yathi JP hayi wena. You don't even have to apologize. Ubufika lapha ube busy nomsebenzi wakho. I want you to work. Mafika lapha. And akho bantu abaya ku conference marathon there. This is why it's just like wena don't ungangizami wena nisi. Cause if you don't pitch it on Monday, I promise you will regret it. Guys, who even he went on and on again yesterday. I'm just like, why? And it's because of ukinenda nobalo. Are you going into abese kodwa this way he said on Thursday when ndosi kwasha kwacima kanje exactly like this kwasha kwacima mina I'm defending state ngizobe senisho njalo uratha talk session. And most South Africans bebecabanga ukuthi action will be taken or Uratha will apologize and say something. Uratha is not fazed by this. It's just like whatever. Unjalo vele Uratha. And the way is like he said it about YouTubers. What's say was on social media? Even now, he's gonna be watching from YouTube. Guys, he doesn't care. The guy doesn't give two hoots actually. You know that things in defense, and we are behind them. We're not going to give up. And Nominus Yamano is not faced, is also not going to give up. It's just like a bonango treater, like at boarding school, young figgies, you know. I was surprised the two that I never got into Kamshololo because so that Mshololo they also don't get along. Umshololo used to tell that off. There's way she once told him, you know what, my Lord, we also know the law. It's not law, it's not what we also know the law. We might be a judge, but so please don't be that person towards us. Like we learn the law. So guys, you understand? He just stopped asking about it, and also basing about the CB got report to is she coming or is she not coming? She came back again with a bang. And the thing about it, my sisters, and when you have another case resumes on the 23rd of June, you're not coming to court. It's like are you preparing for this? What's going on? You should dambe case number 5. Besides my life sentences, besides pinning him, saying he was speaking to Kelly around the 15th of October before the incident on the 26th of October 2014. What's going on? Are you dumping the guy? Like, you know, I've been asking myself. But no, actually, she's back with the bang. She's just like, no, we're not having it. We are working as a team. Although I didn't like how Nxumalo went on around Uratha Mbuzi. So, in the conference marathon, what's I know my Lord, I'll rather keep quiet. I'm next. You know? It wasn't teamwork. Not to die sana nominisi nje nawe wena nxumalo ubhizi lokuzithulele nxumalo. No, I didn't like that. Cause you came off ngathi manje you buying Rasa's face angisho ukuthi imani nominisi wemvula, but I mean kufana nalento leyo ukuthi ke manje uadvocate Baloyi has now introduced more information about these photos. Ezobe zifunda those photos for like 30 minutes on end and into engenamsebenza lutho. Yeah, no. We are sure no, it was basically value accused number 3. Unamehla amakhulu, you had dreadlocks, and a gold tooth. Guys, those people didn't have any gold tooth, any gold teeth, in fact, or tooth, or anything like that. They don't have gold teeth. All of them, like Undanza Komulana, it was the same thing. Aga now, I'm a gold teeth Undanza. Yeah. So goda babeloke bemfustile umntana abantu ukuthi no, we had them, yeah, nedentist sakhumbula afika qamba manganayo hey futhi gazi yabona abantu imali yakhe shwala. It's too much. Someone was just saying, commenting ukuthi yo indaba ngathi no judge Mlambo naye wathola something from uChiko. I'm just like, but we've always said ukuthi athi uChiko anginayo imali, how can I have money mina to pay these people musanje ukudlala ngami? I'm just like, hey guys, kuphela kabuhlungu kodwa kusenza umiwa. Mark my words, mina always said kodwa ukuthi it won't end well. It might take time, it might izinto zenzakala. I guess isn't that so you know how they work, ne? Bona la baba involved in the syndicate of craziness of lying in court. Yeah, that's just what we're waiting for. And then things will start to come out. People will be like, Uwena. It was you. Yabo. It won't end well, guys. Isn't this guys of food? They normally don't end well. And Umnisi wasn't happy with now Ubalo is now adding other things. It's just like you're coming with another evidence, new evidence. I did say on Wednesday, guys, which Ubalo also figure new evidence. Like why, guys? On all the time you are defeated, you come up with stories, you scratch and get more things. Why? Hey. Wonke ama-advocates for the defense, they don't agree to the photos. Bafeel ukuthi no vele kukhona i-cooking ne-manufacturing. I mean, those are the things very true. Ubalo uyadume ngazo beno-Brigadier Gininda. Njengoba umnisi was down a bit, ecabanga ukuthi like ngengisaya comrades marathon this guy, and I'm dedicated. I'm always here, like what's going on. Just as much as we also feel ukuthi case Kasenzo Mew has been tracking, guys. I mean, it's 11 years in October. It's just crazy. Because you know why? Because abantu bazitshela ukuthi they made a pact. Basically, that's how I normally put it. They made a pact. Ukuthi sizoqamba manga until the day. We'll never. I think the Komalas made a pact. Be no longer. But so okay. Okhuluma nje, ubekhuluma ngani? That is why uMakhumalo no Zandile no Ntomzodo uMakhumalo Makakheli no Zandile beno Kelly, they went on a trip overseas immediately after Senzo was passing. Guys, how can you go on an international trip? Yeah, I just find that very insensitive because when you can take a holiday, I've gone through that a lot of times. Let's not dwell on that. Uthi uzithulele Nxumalo advocate. Bona, they want an application done by the state ukusho ukuthi sebelethe information because ubalo injalo when he sees this is defeated uvela lethe into entsha, and they always feel like they are ambushed all the time when uletha, but it's not necessary futhi new lezi thombe zakhe, and they told him before ukuthi that's not accused. I mean number 3, that's not accused. Number 3 ubhuti wakhe when ubusy you pressing what it is him uBrown omnisi akutshela ukuthi no akakho Brown, he's like this guy. Advocate Zandile Mshololo is not having it. She's just like Yebo. By law, you can actually introduce evidence during the trial, but you have to apply for it. You don't just understand like Ubalo and just Nancy information senginayo. CP is pinning on accused number 3. And when did we shift? Guys, it's a lot. Basically, is no accused number 1, guys. Manje, almost the whole day, we have found that Ubaloyi, the same things. That's why I don't want, like I said, I don't want to dwell too much on these photos because we have spoken about them so many times. I'm just like, because I am actually exhausted. But no. No, he's light. You can't see. Light. That was a trial within a trial. Like I can't, guys. It's a lot. Then it's an unfair trial, basically. You're able to if we just gonna be doing stuff haphazardly when we feel the information, we take it, we go with it. It doesn't work like that. U-Advocate Zandile Mshololo wambamba uBrigadier Gininda Beno-Baloyi wathi listen here, the information that you are bringing now, it wasn't actually introduced by uBrigadier Gininda as a witness. It was introduced by another witness. So low as exhibits that you actually now introducing is it's just like now an ambush to us, and you are actually violating my rights in a fair trial for the accused. So why now we coming up with stories like this? We're able to during this trial now. I saw in Mshololo is just actually the whole defense is not having it. Zandile Mshololo since Mabaso, Mr. Mabaso who introduced this evidence of my photos to the defense, or should I say to the court, then he must come. But you can't do in the middle of nowhere introduce things and act like the figure now who's in the middle of nowhere. Guys, Advocate George Baloyi is pushing for this evidence to be put through. Yes, he's not giving up to a point where he's like, I'm told Guti ene umabasa non-Ndlovu, they can come and use that can come. And then he's like, I'm told, guys, how is it told? Well, he's the one who calls them and tells them, it's like, defense. If and if in court. So you have to come. As I'm told, they actually can be available next week. I'm like, you know this. You are the one that told them to come. And I'm just hoping with these people, they don't come in line. And they are going to come in line. But they are the ones that actually downloaded these pictures. So say my phone and that court is for was. And umnisuzu yasho no, asifuni ukuthi kube sengathi thina like we are not agreeing to this information. There's nothing we can do. They must just bring it. Uzobonakala phambili. And ubalo yini akafuni kanjani ukuthi kuyiwe eloco for this inspection and uyaphusha umnisi ukuthi lalela kuzoyiwakhe. That's what's going to happen. It's going to be my final word, in fact. Guys, so ke sime lapho kancane.